Welcome to the first episode of our Chess Master, Beginner to Pro series. Chess is more than just a game, it's a battle of minds that has been played for over 1,500 years. Every great battle needs a battlefield. In chess, it's an 8x8 grid of 64 squares, alternating between light and dark. The vertical columns are called files, labeled from A to H. The horizontal rows are called ranks, labeled from 1 to 8. Now, let's meet your army. You have 16 pieces. First, the pawns. You have 8 of them lined up across the second rank. In the corners of the board are 2 rooks. They act as your castles. Next to the rooks are the 2 knights, the only pieces that jump in an L shape. Beside the knights stand the 2 bishops. They are your long-range snipers. On the remaining central squares, the queen always starts on her own color. White queen on a light square, black queen on a dark square. And finally, the most important piece, the king, sits right next to the queen. What's the goal of all this? It's not just to capture your opponent's pieces. It's to trap their king. This is called checkmate. When a king is attacked and has no safe square to move to, the game is over. In our next episode, we'll dive into how each of these pieces moves and captures. For now, your mission is to set up a real or digital board and practice naming the squares. See you in episode 2.